Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to grade items that are not machine gradable. So the first thing to do once you log in is to find the classroom for which you'd like to grade assignments. For this example, I'm going to use my STARI Boost class. So there are two ways you can get to assignments that need to be graded. The first way is by clicking on the image part of your classroom card, and this will bring you to your class activities page by default. The second way is to click on the Learning Journey tab, which is a more direct route to the items that need to be graded. I'm going to show you both just so you know how to get to those materials through both access points. So the first way is clicking on the image part of the classroom card. This brings me to my Class Activities tab by default. And I can see here items to grade says 0. This items to grade information here is related to class activities that you have specifically posted. So if you haven't posted any class activities, you won't have any items to grade. I can see through the bell that I have 2 notifications saying that I have 3 student items to grade for something called Say Out Loud Nonsense, and I have 3 student items to grade for Say Out Loud. Now I know that I did not post these specific items and that they're coming from the student's learning journey. So to access them, I'm going to go to my Learning Journey tab. You might have Advanced at the top of your screen next to your Class Activities tab. Just click on Advanced and you'll see the Learning Journey tab is an option now. So I'm going to bring us back out to this main page. To summarize, what I just did was click on the image part of my classroom card. It brought me to my Class Activities page by default, and then I'm going to click on the Learning Journey tab. A much faster way to do this is to simply click on the Learning Journey icon from your classroom card. It looks like 3 bars, and when you hover over it, it will say Learning Journey. So let's do that. And this saves you the step of having to go from Class Activities to the Learning Journey tab. It just brings you to the Learning Journey right away. So again, I can still see my notifications that I have 2 different assignments with 3 students each completing them that are available for me to grade. So I can see on my Learning Journey page the items to grade. Now they're on this page because they came from the Learning Journey. They weren't specifically posted class activities. The students encountered them in their independent learning journey, so these items to grade will appear on the Learning Journey tab. To access them and grade them, just click on them. So I can see the unit and the lesson that this comes from, and I can see the activity name is Say Out Loud. I can see I have 3 students having completed this assignment, and I can see the instructions and the answer. So I see the instructions were to read the word one sound at a time and then read the whole word. I can listen to the student's recording.
Hat. Hat.
I can replay it by clicking the play button. I can leave feedback or not, and then I can click submit. Now I have 2 students left to grade, and I can move back and forth between students whose work I have not graded just by clicking on the arrows. So I have Rachel. Again, I can listen to her response, and I can leave comments or not. Submitting with comments or without marks this item as complete for your students. Until you grade them, they'll just see a gray box that indicates that they have submitted the assignment, but the items haven't been graded or reviewed by their teacher. Now I only have 1 student left to grade, Shawnee. Again, I can listen to their response, leave comments or not, and click submit. So that assignment, I'm all caught up. So I have another assignment, Say Out Loud Nonsense. I have 3 students and I can follow the same procedure. So this goes question by question. So if assignments have multiple words that students are reading, they're grouped by the word. So here is all of the student responses for this first word, quap. Listed on the side with other items to grade, when I click on it, I'll see the second word that the students read aloud in their assignment. So it's grouped by question as opposed to by assignment. This way you can hear all of the students reading the same word, one after the other. So again, these assignments will appear on the side of the Learning Journey tab, and you can leave comments or not, but when you're done, just click Submit, and that will mark it as complete on the student's page.